Alright guys, we are going to be reacting to blizzards hit suddenly shelter in the abandoned mountain cabin. Let's jump in. Oof! Y'all hear that noise? Damn. Sorry guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Help me out to get to that 100,000 subscribers, guys. I'm gonna really appreciate that. That's an abandoned cabin. Wow. And that dog really holding himself very well. He's gonna go and get some. Ooh. Oh, that's gorgeous. I have to say, it's gorgeous. Jesus Christ, man. Look at how cold that is. You need that? Yeah, that's inflammable. Yep. Yep. Yeah, you see that, like, it looks like a lot, but that fire can be burned so fast. Ooh. See? It looks like a lot, but it's not. Oh. There you go. That's the inflammable stuff, yep. Wow, I think that's an automatic view from the drone, I guess. Very nice, yep. Just let it warm up. It's kind of crooked. Ah. Damn, it's cold. That probably is gonna last you a couple of hours. Look at those holes. Oh my god. So now it's not completely insulated. Well, a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Yep. That's very nice. He's cleaning up the cabin. He doesn't want to get out. Yes. There we go. That's for the dog. There you go. Getting a nice tea. Ooh. There we go. Oh man, how did you shoot that so quick? Oh. So those are glasses. I thought it was open. But those are glasses. It's very nice that people leave. They build these cabins and just simply leave them there for people when they want to hike. That's very good. That's pretty good. I like that. There we go. Water is not a problem because you have snow, so you can always melt it. Oh yes. Let it cook. Really, you like that? Yeah, I guess so. I guess. Ah, the little dog is sleeping already. Oh. That's good. It has a little snow. That means it's gonna take some time to, you know, take some time to just burn. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, there's no, yeah. Hey, man, that's crazy. It got very cold. That's coffee. Yeah. Oh, that's so interesting. All right, that's very nice. Yeah, that dog is taking that snow like nothing. Oof. Ah. I love dogs. I love dogs, guys. And he, huh? He's happy. Ah, man, this is great, man. I love dogs, man. You have no idea. Jesus Christ, really? Golly, man. Yeah, there you go, guys. That's crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Knowing that some flowers are still blooming in the middle of that snowstorm. Crazy, man. I love dogs. I love dogs. And I prefer like mutts. Seem like mutts have a longer lifespan than, you know, like breeds. That's why I'm, you know, I always had mutts in my home. And it, man, that dog was taking that snow like nothing. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This was very good. And let me know if you guys done this before. I would like to know. I will see you in the next one.